Dear investors, in this video I would like to introduce you a German major software company, SAP. How did I find this company as an investment ID? Recently I read Meyer Capital's Q1 report and I found interesting investment ideas. They initiated, or this Meyer Capital initiated, also position in 3M, Lowe's, Ashtead, Booking Holdings, and also SAP. Okay, what are the products of SAP? This is enterprise resource programs, CRM programs, digital supply chain, human resource programs, business technology platforms, network, and spend management. Okay, some facts. There are 440,000 customers SAP has. Employees more than 100,000 and partners 21,000. Revenue is more than 24 billion euro. Yeah, it is euro because it's listed on German stock exchange. It's a German company, so it's apparently a big major player. Okay, I did some analysis. This is the breadth and the force analysis. Yeah, force analysis introduced by Michel Porter. This is a famous used by many economists. So I want to figure out whether the company has any moat in the industry, any competitive advantages. Okay, first breadth analysis. I put in the pointer. This is customers. Yes, it is broad and unlikely to consolidate. So the customer base is supplier same. Yes, it is broad and unlikely to consolidate. Bargaining power of customers. In my opinion, it is weak. Lot of customers and also long-term contracts. Backward integration is highly improbable. Switching costs can be high for established customers. So once you decided to use SAP in your company, it is highly unlikely that you will change to Oracle or other programs. So the bargaining power of customers, it's weak. And suppliers is also low, so it's working with many suppliers. I don't consider this is would be strong. Substitution, yes, can be difficult and pricey to change the solution. However, it might happen if better competing technology from other providers emerge. Yeah, of course, if SAP is not investing in new technology, then companies realize this is not the best anymore, and they simply change, even though it costs in a short term lot of money for the customer. So SAP investing in research and development, so I believe it will keep its leading position with Oracle. It is like a game between Coke and Pepsi. Threat of new entrants, difficult to enter this business. Yeah, substantial investment and also knowledge is highly important in this software field. Okay, who are the major shareholders? Yes, some major Dietmar Hopp, they established with Hasso Plattner the company, so they have in together 10%, and also the supervisory board members has around 5% and executive board around 5%, and BlackRock is one of the major investors. Okay, dividend. SAP has a long dividend history, yeah, around 10 years. Every year they increase its dividend. So I think we want to our shareholders to share greatly in the success. Therefore, our dividend policy is to pay a dividend totaling 40% or more of the profit after tax. Okay. And also the company buybacks shares, but not every year. In 2017 and also in 2020, uh, they bought back shares, yeah, around 106 average price. Yeah, currently we are at the same price, and this 1.5 billion euro represent 1% of total number of outstanding shares, not the shares, the market capitalization. So they bought back 1% of the total outstanding shares. Okay, so we don't know what buybacks they will initiate in the future, but for 2020 the company finished and no further plan. Okay, I calculated some return of capital employed, and it was not as high with the accounting standards. It's around 7 or 8%. Depends on I add cash or just subtract cash from the capital employed. But the company uses non-IFRS numbers in operating income and other metrics. Uh, they believe this is more representative for the performance of the company. Yeah, maybe uh, with these numbers, definitely the return of capital employed is higher. So, but still, it's good. Around 8% is good, but 15 is even better. Okay, some valuation with fast graph. You can see the blended P is 20. The company is growing, earning around 12% and has a low debt ratio, good credit rating. Mm, yeah, maybe maybe it's a good entry point right now. I don't know. So let's see. I don't think the price will go much lower. I considering this investment along with Oracle. But if I look Oracle and I also calculated the return of capital employed, it based on accounting numbers seems to be higher than the numbers of SAP, and mm, also the valuation based on fast graphs looks more attractive. So I didn't decide yet which company I will invest, SAP or Oracle, but currently I'm more inclined to invest in Oracle. However, I did not do any evaluation yet or deeper analysis about Oracle. I just looked at the valuation and return of capital investment. Based on that, Oracle looks to me more attractive. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my today's video and I wish you a nice day. Thank you and bye bye.